Hey guys, what's up? I'm Blake Mitchell here to help you with problem number 11 off of the practice test number 3, problem number 11. So let's get started. Find the exact value of the tangent of the inverse cosine of negative root 3 over 2. Start that off. You're going to want to write out the equation as shown, tangent inverse cosine negative root 3 over 2. Now first, remember when you find the tangent of an equation, theta was usually in those parentheses? And now there's inverse cosine of negative root 3 over 2. So you're simply going to make an equation of theta equals inverse cosine negative root 3 over 2. Oh, sorry about that. Now, what's next on the list to do is you remember your composite function rules, meaning that if the cosine of an inverse cosine is going to be from -1 to 1 inclusive, which would mean that the inverse cosine of a cosine is going to be 0 to pi. Now, seeing as we do not have any pi is not involved in this where inverse cosine negative root 3 over 2, we are going to be taking the cosine of each side. So I'll show you. And your equation right now should look something like this. Now, like I was saying before the rules, if you have the cosine of an inverse cosine, your interval has to be from -1 to 1 inclusive. So something like that. Now, then you're going to want to find out if negative root 3 over 2 fits in that category. It does. So your cosine of theta is going to equal root 3 over negative root 3 over 2. But now you want to find the tangent. So now what you're going to do is this time you're going to refer back to a triangle. And you're going to want to draw a coordinate plane. So obviously sine is negative in this case, so you're going to go left root 3, and your hypotenuse is going to be 2 because cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So you have negative root 3, and x is going to be your opposite angle. So now, in order to find tangent, which is opposite over adjacent, you need to find out what x is going to equal. So you do that through the Pythagorean theorem. Or if you know the triangle as it is, but let's do the Pythagorean theorem anyway. X squared plus negative root 3 squared is going to equal 2 squared. Like so. So, after you have done so, you're going to want to solve the equation further, which becomes x squared plus 3, because a negative squared is going to yield a positive, and that squared is also going to cancel out the radical. So you have x squared plus 3 equals 4. Now, and then you can obviously figure it out, x squared equals 1, and so x will equal 1 because 1 is a perfect square. So x is going to equal 1. Now all you have to do is find opposite over adjacent, So in this case, it's going to be the tangent will equal 1 over negative root 3. Now obviously you cannot have a radical in the denominator, so you're going to multiply by 1, which is negative root 3 over negative root 3. Like so. And your answer is going to come out to be negative root 3 over 3. So your exact value is negative root 3 over 3. And there you have it. Alright guys, that's number 11 for you on practice test number 3. Look for me. I will be uploading more videos to help you out with your various practice test problems. This is Blake Mitchell doing problem number 11 off of practice number 3. I hope I helped you guys out. I will see you next time. Peace to the OUT. Bye-bye.